Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Life. Today I have a portable vacuum cleaner. This is a portable vacuum cleaner from Baseus and it is for car as well as home usage. I am interested in this vacuum cleaner because the manufacturer claims that the suction power is 15,000 pascals, and as far as I know 15,000 pascal in a small vacuum cleaner like this, the portable vacuum cleaner like this, is very rare and it is one of the first kind. It is powered by a brushless DC motor, and that DC motor is around 135 watts at 80,000 RPMs, and it has two modes of operation. One is the standard mode, in which they claim that it can last for up to 50 minutes, and in the high mode it can last for around 17 to 20 minutes. So that is quite good. And this vacuum cleaner also has a USB-C port for charging purposes, and they claim that it supports QC 3.0 charging, fast charging. It has a 28.8 watt-hour lithium-ion battery and the noise level is around 75 decibels. So let's unbox it and see. So that's it in the box. This is the vacuum cleaner. They provide a carrying case, so that's quite good. Some stickers, USB-A to USB-C charging cable. That's it. So this is the user's manual and this is the warranty card. They have provided a 2-in-1 nozzle, as you can see. One is with the brush and another is without the brush. And another interesting thing is they have provided a blowpipe, so you can use it as a blower. And now let's check the vacuum cleaner. So this is the vacuum cleaner and we can attach the nozzle here like this, and the blower nozzle can be attached at the back, so like this. So because this is the air output and this is the input suction, so this is the outlet, and they have 3 battery level indicators here. So if we press it once, then it should start and it should also show the battery level in the vacuum cleaner. This is the standard mode. If you press once more, it will go into the high power mode. And then off. So the first press is the standard mode, the second press will be the high power mode, and the last press will be turning off. And one more thing is that this vacuum cleaner has LED lights, so you can turn on the LED light and turn off the LED light while using the vacuum cleaner or without using the vacuum cleaner. So you can see, if you long press the power button, you can turn on the LED light and you can use it for example in the dark, in a car or something like that, and you can long press it again to turn it off. So you can also use the light during the cleaning process. For example, you can use it, so that is quite nice. So let's open the dust compartment. So this is the dustbin. The capacity of the dustbin is 70 milliliters, and in order to access the dustbin, you can pull out this filter like this, and you'll be able to clean up the dustbin, empty the dustbin, and so on. So, and there is a rubber flap here in order to avoid the dust from falling out when you are not using the vacuum cleaner. This is the filter. It has a 2-layer filter. One is the steel mesh filter for filtering out most of your large particles, hair and all, and they also have this HEPA filter. So this is a HEPA filter and it is washable. When this HEPA filter is getting dirty, you can wash it in the tap. So that is quite good, and you can also buy this as an accessory from Baseus. Those are the filters. So, and in order to assemble it back, you first put in the filters like this. There is a latch here. You need to rotate it in its position, and after that you put it back to the dustbin, and you have to match these positions and press it. And this is a seal here, and you can assemble it back, for example like this. There are some latches here you need to match. So, and you rotate the dust compartment and you'll be able to assemble it properly. So now let's charge and test whether it can support USB 3.0. Let's use this power cable that they have provided. I have a Baseus charger here. I have already reviewed this before. This is a 65-watt GAN charger, and I'll be using this power meter to measure the charging capabilities of this vacuum cleaner. So let's plug it in and see. And it should now be charging. As you can see, it is charging, and as you can see, it is charging at 12 volts 1.5 amps, that is 18 watts. So it is true that this vacuum cleaner supports USB QC 3.0 12 volt charging. At 18 watts is going to charge very fast compared to other normal portable vacuum cleaners that you see. So that is quite good to know that the QC 3.0 charging is working. And so it is recommended that before using the vacuum cleaner, you fully charge it and then we can use it. So it is currently charging, and it comes at around 75% charged. So now we test the vacuum cleaner. I'll be testing it on my computer keyboard. I want to clean my computer keyboard using this vacuum cleaner. Let's see the performance. We can also see whether we can use it during charging. So when you are charging the vacuum cleaner, you are not able to use it. You cannot even turn on the LED lights. So let's unplug it. Let's attach the nozzle like this, and first I'll use the brush mode. So let's turn it on. I think it cleans quite well, but you know, the keyboards are very hard to clean. So let's try to blow out the dust from the inside by using this blower. I like this blower mode a lot because as you can see, it has blown out a lot of dust from inside. Even though the suction was not able to capture all the dust from inside, the blower can obviously do this kind of function. So this blower mode is quite useful. You can use it in the car as well. So now let's clean up the mess. So that was the cleaning test. So as you saw, the vacuum cleaner is performing very well. The dust compartment is transparent, so you can see what is there inside, whether it requires cleaning or whether it's full. You can also easily remove the dust compartment, so that is quite good. And one thing that I like the most is the blowing feature, the blower feature. So you can attach the blower like this, and I was able to clean out all the inner dust from my keyboard. And I think this is quite useful for cleaning your laptops, your laptop fan and your laptop keyboards as well, and obviously your car as well. And this 2-in-1 attachment is quite useful. You can use the brush or the brushless attachment. Coming to the suction power of this vacuum cleaner, I believe that it has around 15,000 pascals of suction power. This is because previously I have tested the Xiaomi portable vacuum cleaner. It was 13,000 pascal vacuum cleaner, but this one is 15,000, and I think it is quite more powerful than the Xiaomi vacuum cleaner. So I like this vacuum cleaner a lot, and if you want to purchase one of these, it is not very expensive. You can get it from the link in my video description. I have got a lot of car accessories from Baseus, and one is the car jump starter. I got this car jump starter for one reason. I'll be using this jump starter for a DIY project. I'll make the cheapest spot welder using the batteries of this car jump starter. I'll do that in one of my next videos. And I also got other accessories like a car washer or the car inflator pump from Baseus, and they are working quite well. And coming to the battery life, I quite believe that it will work for around at least half an hour during the standard mode, and for around 10 to 15 minutes in this high power mode. But as you can see, I used the vacuum cleaner for around 5 minutes at the high power mode, but the level here, it is still 3 bars, so it has not reduced much. Even if I have used for around 5 minutes in the high power mode, I haven't even fully recharged the batteries after opening the package. So that was my experience with this vacuum cleaner. I wanted to share because it is very hard to find 15,000 Pascal portable vacuum cleaner for home or car cleaning purposes. So this is one of a kind. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.